Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the Stash app and activate your debit card. Stash is a financial services company that offers a range of tools to help you manage your money. First, you need to download the Stash app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up to create an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will be prompted to fund it by linking a bank account or using a debit card. If you choose to use a debit card, you will need to enter the card details and verify your identity. Once your account is funded, you can order a debit card from within the app. The card will be mailed to you and you will receive an email with instructions on how to activate it. To activate your debit card, log into the Stash app and navigate to the Card section. Click on Activate Card and enter the card details and the activation code that was sent to you via email. After activating your debit card, you can start using it to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. You can also use the Stash app to track your spending, set budgets, and receive notifications when you make a transaction. It is essential to keep your debit card and account information secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. You should also regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can easily install the Stash app, activate your debit card, and start managing your finances effectively. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information up to date to ensure a smooth and safe experience.